These how to 1 minute will show you how to add image in Shopify. Follow these easy steps to add or insert any photo to your Shopify web page. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store. And here click on Customize. And now search for the section where you want to add an image. So here's I'm adding a new section and I'm selecting image banner. As you can see, our image banner has been added. Now to change the background image, click on image banner, click on select image, upload image, and now all you have to do is just select the banner from your computer. Once it's uploaded, select the image, click on done, and here you can see the image has been successfully added to my Wix website. Now click on save to save changes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.